Hi guys, running a 19-hour print on the Flashforge Creator 3. This print it says dual color, but it's actually dual materials. We are doing in PLA and PVA as a support material. So let me just open the door and show you. The PVA is on the left side. It's Atlas support from Futura. That's the pink one you see. The PLA black is our very own mecha materials. So far, going so well. Really enjoy seeing these things come together very well actually. We've done a few such prints on the Flashforge Creator 3, but nothing near as long as 19 hours. Let's see what we can see from the top. Alright.